welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Annalisa Moreno, and if you are new, welcome. I'm so excited all of you guys are here with me today. I'm going to be doing a quick little video on how I do my eyebrows. I get a lot of questions, and I do nothing fancy. Probably do what everybody else does, but I'm going to show you how I do them for myself. So before we dive into how I shape them and darken them and add all this, I want to kind of talk about how I take care of them and keep them, I guess, in a shape where I can darken them. Okay, so in the past I was so used to waxing my eyebrows, but I just have come to realize that waxing makes me break out so bad, and I will not do it unless I have to. I did it 3 weeks ago for the first time in a while, and yeah, I'm still dealing with breakouts from that. So a good alternative and something that I like to do is using one of these little face razors. I think it's super easy to kind of just clean up and shape around and get rid of those unwanted hairs all around. It works for me. I don't have any problems with my hair growing back thicker or anything like that, clearly, because I still do my eyebrows and shape them in and whatnot. I don't have any problems of I don't know, I just don't have any problems using this, and most people would probably be like, I'm not going to use it on my eyebrows, but it works for me. And if you have that problem of breaking out with waxing, definitely pick this up from Target or your local drugstore, beauty store, whatever. They're super easy to use. You just have to be really careful when you kind of shape around your eyebrows, because sometimes you can go a little too low. Might have done that once or twice before. But yes, I definitely recommend using this if you have the same problem as I do. But anywho, I'm going to show you guys how I draw in my eyebrows and give them shape and definition. So let's dive in.
So first I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate. I like to use a spoolie end to brush up my brows and make sure all the hairs are going in the right direction. Next, I just want to add the arch/tip part of my brow, and I kind of hold my face back a little. I don't know, I just feel like it helps in adding that nice arch. I want to do the same on the other side. I kind of just level out the darkness. I like it to be darker on the ends and have that gradual darkness on your brows. Hope that makes sense. Brushing them up with a spoolie every now and then throughout the process helps to determine where I need to add more color. Next, I'm going to conceal around my eyebrows. What I love about this concealer is that it's super creamy and easy to blend and really just makes your eyebrows pop. And you want to make sure to smooth out those edges and kind of blend them into your eyeshadow, but still allowing for a nice highlight under the brow. Once I have applied all the concealer, I like to take my Eco Tools Precision Concealer Brush and really just smooth out all the ends. Then I'll go back in with my brow pencil a second time to just make sure all of the arches and the little what I call tip is all nice and darkened.
Okay y'all, so there you have it. I use 3 products to do my eyebrows. Super simple, very easy. I do it really quick. You don't have to do concealer around your eyebrows. I just think it gives you a very clean finish, and I love that. So before I used the NYX brow pencil, I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but then I realized, why was I paying so much when this one just works so good? And I'm kind of like a creature of habit. I love to use the same products all the time if they work great for me, because why fix something that is not broken? But anywho, I will change up concealers. This is just the one that I have right now, and I love how creamy it is. If you do concealer around your eyebrows, I definitely recommend getting something super creamy that you can spread and blend out super, super easy. And then the Ready Set Brow, I just think it highlights and defines your individual eyebrow hairs that gives that extra natural look, which I love because it's still done up, but it's still a little natural. But yeah, so if you loved this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to comment and subscribe so you can be a part of my YouTube fam. But anywho, I will see you guys next time.